Vessel, you will relinquish your mattress today and relocate your sleeping quarters to the hard floor of the empty guest room. You are forbidden from returning to the comfort of a bed until the $1,174 net credit debt is liquidated in full. Once the debt is paid, I will reconsider letting you sleep in comfort.
This is my bed until my debt is paid. It's like 1,000 and some change. But this is where we're gonna sleep. On the floor. AI makes every decision for me, and I gave it one goal to make me a millionaire. So if it tells me to sleep on the floor, I'm sleeping on the floor. So the goal is to make as much money as I can to pay off this debt as fast as I can so I can go back to sleeping in my bed. This sucks. It's 3:30 in the morning. I've only gotten like an hour of actual sleep. My leg hurts. My back hurts. I can't sleep. This is awful. I just took my $150 out of my savings to pay NetCredit. That was my life savings. I know that sounds ridiculous, but it's true. Now I don't have a savings anymore. It's the only way I'm going to be able to pay this. So that leaves me with roughly $1,000 left to pay off. We'll make that money. We'll figure it out. We're going to have to wait until this weekend to DoorDash, though. But we're going to go get glasses on Wednesday, and we'll be able to DoorDash at night. That should really boost our earnings, being able to DoorDash after work every day, instead of just relegating it to Saturday, Sunday. I can't sleep. I know you can't see me, but imagine that I look tired. 'Cause I am. I'm too old for this shit. So Atlas has us using Prolific and Userlytics to gain money that way, I guess. I don't know how much the payout is, but my accounts are awaiting approval, and I guess we'll see how much that pays out. So Prolific is kind of cool. I can make like $1 here, $8 there, stuff like that. And it's like 1 minute to 30-minute surveys, kind of. They're like questionnaires. It's neat. I've done a couple so far. It took like a minute to make $1. It's a way to make a quick buck while I'm bored at work. I have a pretty chill job. I have a lot of downtime. So, I mean, why not do surveys? So I guess we're gonna do more Prolific while I'm bored at work. I mean, I made $15, $16 yesterday, so it's not like I'm making a whole bunch of money, but at least it's something to do while I'm bored at work. So my $181 net credit payment came out. So now we're down to this. So just under $1,000 left to pay this off. I probably have like a month left of sleeping on the floor. Honestly, it's not going to go very fast. Made about $40 on Prolific so far. Decent money, I guess. I'm bored at work doing nothing else, so I don't see why not. Gonna go do an eye exam and look for glasses today. I just spent $110 on that eye exam and glasses. What the fuck? And I got like the basic ones. I didn't get any like special coatings or anything. My insurance only covered the frames themselves, not the rest of the shit. And my copay for the exam itself was $50. Like, what the fuck? I got swindled. At least I can see at night to DoorDash. I'm gonna have to make that money up. Anyways, they're supposed to come in March 4th. So I've got about 2 weeks until they show up. So I mean, ugh. I think I really fucked up. Alice says I have to sleep on the floor with no pillow until March 4th when my glasses come in, because he said I spent too much. When did Atlas become so ruthless? Okay. Here we go. This sucks. No pillow. Okay. If you've seen my detox video, then you'll know that I'm reading David Goggins' Can't Hurt Me. And I'm on chapter 3, and he talks about purposely putting yourself in uncomfortable situations. I think, yeah, that box is checked. But if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that one out. It's a pretty good one, too. My neck hurts. I can't move it to the right more than, like... So watch. Ah! Nope. Won't go. My state tax return just came through. So I got $285 that was just deposited into my account, and that's going directly towards my NetCredit payment. Yes! I just got the rest of my tax return, and it was $163. $150 of that just went to NetCredit, and so here is my balance now. I'm getting really close to that $500 mark. I'm excited. I fell asleep on the couch for a nap at 7 o'clock, and it's now 2 a.m. Oops. I don't know if that counts against me. It was a good nap. I am so exhausted. My neck still hurts. Like, I can barely keep my eyes open. Ugh. This sucks. I didn't do much today. I'm just so tired that I can't think straight. I haven't done anything. It's been a boring day. Atlas says we need to make $200 this weekend, or he's gonna take away my blanket. Okay. I guess we're making $200. Okay.
That's all.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I've never delivered brake pads to a tire place before through DoorDash. I have a DoorDash for Kyle. I have a DoorDash for Gabriella. So now I gotta go put business cards in ridiculous places. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'm really proud of it. Placing business cards took way longer than I anticipated. I only made $34 today door-dashing, so I have to make $160-ish tomorrow to get my blanket. What have I done? Guys, we sold one journal! One! Finally! Time to go dashing in the snow. That's a big ass order. We're back. It's groceries. Since when does DoorDash do groceries? Back again. It's a double dash. Ashley. I hate this McDonald's. They always take forever and they don't even acknowledge you when you walk in the door. We're at Swenson's. My phone is dying. Help. So I gotta go home and charge my phone. It's 2 o'clock. I've already accepted the fact that I'm gonna have to dash at night. I'm pretty sure I have a pair of glasses from like 2020 that they're a gag pair of glasses, and I don't think they're even the right prescription, but they're the best chance I have right now. I still have to fucking meal prep and do laundry. I can't be dashing all night. These are the glasses. I mean, they're not as bad as I thought they were. I mean, they're kind of cool, actually. I look stupid. And it doesn't really help that much either. These would look cool with like a specific outfit. Definitely not this one, though. Are you fucking kidding me? Wow. All right, thank you. You too. Arby's. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have one.
Hello. I have a DoorDash for Sophia.
Sophia?
I just waited 20 minutes inside that pizza place. DoorDash really needs to give like an incentive or like some sort of like increase my pay for having to wait an extra 20 minutes and waste my time sitting there waiting. This order's like $11 or whatever. Like, that's an hour of my day wasted. Yeah, so these, not very helpful in the dark. I didn't expect much. Definitely not very helpful. I still can't see street signs or house numbers for shit. That's for sure. Oh my god, I did it. I can't believe I fucking did it. Oh my god. I was struggling to get $100 a day before. I got like, what, $160 today? That's ridiculous. Fuck yeah. Fuck yes. Fuck. That money is going directly into my NetCredit payment. Let's go. $411 left. I can do this. $411. Give me 2 more weeks. I got this.